Imagine you are living in a rented property in the UK, and suddenly your landlord tells you to leave within a few days. Or your landlord enters your home without permission, or refuses to return your deposit after you move out. The question is, can a landlord legally do this in the UK? In many cases, the answer is no. But many tenants are unaware of their legal rights, and because of this, they sometimes face pressure, harassment, or even illegal eviction. In this video, we will explain tenant rights in the UK in a clear and practical way. Watch till the end because this information can protect your home, your money, and your legal position. Welcome to BritLaws, where we explain UK laws, legal rights, and legal awareness in simple and practical language, so you can understand your rights and protect yourself legally. Today's topic is tenant rights in the UK. If you are renting a house, flat, or even a room in the UK, this information is extremely important for you. In the UK, most tenants are under a legal arrangement known as an Assured Shorthold Tenancy, or AST. This means you have legal protection as a tenant. The landlord must follow legal procedures. You cannot be removed from the property without due process. When you enter into a tenancy, it becomes a legal contract, and both tenant and landlord must follow the terms of that agreement and the law. As a tenant in the UK, you have several important legal rights. 1. Right to a tenancy agreement. You have the right to receive clear terms of your tenancy, including rent, duration, and notice period. 2. Right to deposit protection. If you pay a deposit, your landlord must protect it in a government-approved scheme within 30 days and provide you with details. If they fail to do so, you may claim compensation through court. 3. Right to quiet enjoyment. This means the landlord cannot enter your home without permission except in emergencies. Normally, at least 24 hours notice is required. 4. Right to repairs and safe living conditions. The landlord is responsible for the structure of the property, heating, plumbing, electricity, gas, and electrical safety. 5. Protection from illegal eviction. A landlord cannot force you out without following legal procedure. 6. Right to proper rent increase procedure. Rent cannot be increased arbitrarily without following legal rules or agreement terms. Let's take a practical example. Suppose your landlord tells you to leave the property within 1 week without any formal notice. In this situation, you are not legally required to leave immediately. You should ask for a written notice. You should check what type of notice is given, for example, Section 21 or Section 8. You should not panic or vacate without understanding your rights. Another example. If your landlord enters your home without permission, this may be a violation of your right to quiet enjoyment. In both cases, your response should be calm, informed, and legally correct. Now, an important question. What if your landlord violates your rights? For example, deposit not protected, forced eviction, harassment or threats, entering property without permission, not carrying out essential repairs. In such situations, do not argue aggressively. Do not stop rent without legal advice. Keep all communication in writing, record incidents if possible, keep evidence such as messages, photos, and documents. If your rights are violated, you can take legal action in the UK through proper legal channels. The general legal steps are: 1. Collect evidence, such as tenancy agreement, messages, photos, and deposit records. 2. Send a formal complaint to the landlord or letting agent. 3. Send a formal legal notice or letter before action if required. 4. Seek legal advice from appropriate organizations. 5. Take the matter to court if not resolved. Depending on the issue, you may approach housing authorities, legal advisors, or civil courts. For example, deposit disputes can lead to compensation claims. Illegal eviction can result in legal action against the landlord. Remember, the law in the UK strongly protects tenants when proper legal steps are followed. So today we learned tenancy is a legal contract with rights and responsibilities. 2. You have the right to deposit protection. 3. You have the right to peaceful living. 4. Landlords cannot enter without permission. 5. Eviction must follow legal procedure. 6. Rent increases must follow proper rules. 7. If your rights are violated, you can take legal action. Knowing your rights as a tenant is essential to protect your home and your legal position. If you are renting in the UK, always remember, stay informed, stay calm, and follow the legal process. Do not panic, do not leave your property under pressure, and do not take illegal steps. If your rights are violated, collect evidence, make a formal complaint, seek legal advice, and proceed through legal channels. In the UK, the law protects tenants who understand and follow their rights. If you want to learn more about UK laws, tenant rights, employment rights, police powers, and immigration laws, please follow BritLaws. Join us in the next video as we discuss about employment rights in the UK. See you in the next video.